Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up FlekStore and install IPA files directly on your iPhone or iPad without using a PC. We'll go through the complete process, including device registration, importing signing files, configuring the signer, and installing apps successfully. Let's get started. First, launch FlekStore on your iPhone. Once inside the application, navigate to the Device and Settings section to verify that your device is properly registered. Here, you'll find your device information, including the device UUID, which is required for signing services. Make sure your device is linked correctly before proceeding. Next, return to the home screen and open the Files app. Inside the Files application, locate the signing files that were previously downloaded. These files typically include certificate files, provisioning profile files, additional signing resources required by FlekStore. Verify that all files are available and ready to be imported. Now switch back to FlekStore. From the bottom navigation bar, tap on Signer. Inside the Signer section, select the option to import a certificate. Before doing this, you have to download the file first, like I did. Next, import the provisioning profile. Tap the provisioning profile field and select the matching profile from your files directory. Make sure the provisioning profile corresponds to the same certificate you imported earlier. Once both files have been added successfully, the signer configuration will be ready. Review all information displayed on screen. Confirm that the certificate and provisioning profile have been loaded correctly. Then, tap Save to create your signing configuration. FlekStore will now store these credentials and use them when signing IPA files. After the signer setup is complete, return to the Apps section. Here you'll find the available application library along with various categories and featured apps. You can browse through the catalog or search for a specific application using the search bar at the top. Select the application you want to install. Open the app page and review the available information. When you're ready, tap the Install button. FlekStore will begin signing the IPA using the certificate and provisioning profile that were configured earlier. Depending on the app size and signing speed, this process may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, return to your home screen. The newly installed application should now appear on your device. Tap the icon to launch the app and verify that everything is working correctly. And that's it! You have successfully configured FlekStore, imported your signing files, and installed an IPA directly on your iPhone without using a computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.